What's up, fags? It's currently 11:27 p.m. at night, and I'm gonna teach you guys how to cook eggs. So, actually, it is the next day. I got lazy and went to bed. So, yeah. Let's get cooking. Okay, so first we're gonna get a pan. Fuck you. 1 scoop of Brill's Family Classic chocolate. Fag. Salt. Okay, I think we're done. Gas that bitch up. Stir it a little bit, you know. Make sure you get that yolk. Oh my god, it smells disgusting. And we're finished. Yum. So we have the nice, beautiful eggs right here. I had to remove the bottle. You see, it wasn't edible. And, beautiful, eggs. So let's take a bite. Guys, this is really good. Just... Oh my god. Oh, what the fuck is this shit? What the fuck did I get myself into? Is that even edible? Holy shit, it smells, it smells disgusting. I don't think I can take a bite of this shit, bro. This is disgusting. I just threw up in my mouth. Kind of salty. Oh my god, I can't take a bite. This is not edible. I can't do this. I can't do this. I'm gonna throw up.